Let's see how you can have your Tapo C520WS working on a TV. As you can see, it's working back there. This is a PT camera, so I can control with my remote when I use this software, okay? See here that I have the camera working. I have it close to a window because I'm testing the camera, but I can control here with the remote with the buttons left and right, up and down. And basically, the camera just moves when I use the buttons here, okay? I'm gonna show how to do that. So basically I'm using this software here, this app, the TinyCam Monitor Pro. You can download from the Amazon store. It's a free one if you are using the basic stuff of the software. So I'm gonna just come back here and manage the cameras. And from here, you see that I have the camera working here. I can just delete it and then I can start over and see how it works, okay? So I have no camera now when I open the software. Then let me just come back here to the main screen and start over, right? So the first thing that I have to do is just come here to your app, your Tapo app, and make sure that you have the camera working, okay? So I'm assuming that you have this part done. And then you just come here to the gear icon and to the main menu and come to advanced settings. And here you're going to create this camera account. It's a local account. It's not the same account that you use with the TP link to log in with your Tapo app. It's a different one. So just come here and enable the account. And you're gonna see a message popping up asking you to create a username and a password. I already did that, so I have here the information already. That's the username that I'm using. You can create any one that you want. I just created this one. And I create an easy password here just to be able to make this video, okay? It's an easy one you're gonna see in a while. And then you come back here, you just check the network settings. You can make the static IP here. So this IP is given by your camera, is given by the router to your camera. You just need to check if it's correct here, make it static so it doesn't change. I'm just come back here to the main screen. And you see also that I have my Wi-Fi-24. That's the network the camera is connected to. It's important that your TV is connected to the same network. Otherwise, it's not gonna work because this is a local setup, right? You have your router, your TV, your phone in a local environment here. It's not via the internet. So let's go. We come here to the search, main screen here. Go to find, and here can search and just look for this app, okay? Which is the let's go there, TinyCam. There we go. You see it there, TinyCam Monitor Pro. That's the one. So you can just download it, install it for free. Then you can just open it up. And here to the menu on the top, you just scan your network. And it's gonna find all of the cameras available, which includes here the 520WS. You see here, it's available. And you just select the camera and go to the button on the right side there to add the camera. See here, the camera is added. And now you can just use the button to come back. And here, just insert the username and password that you created before. Remember, that's the username that you just created for the local account. So my case here is Tapo admin. Okay. There we go. Almost there. And then you just come down and hit next. And then you just select here the password, which I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just to make it easier. Hit next, then the OK button. And the camera is going to load up. You just need to wait for a while, and it's there, okay? Then you press the up button here. You see the menu. Then you go with the right button here in the control until you find here the PT control. Now this one, then up again, and you see the round menu there, the button, and then you can control using the right, left, and up and down. Okay, so down and up, and it's working. So super simple. That's a local solution with the TinyCam Pro, right? And the camera, which is the Tapo C520WS, right? It's a good camera. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.